Lakes are in danger. A new study shows they are losing oxygen quickly. Since 1980, deep-water oxygen levels have dropped almost 20%. This problem affects most lakes on Earth. This loss of oxygen is a serious threat to lake ecosystems. Fish and other aquatic life need oxygen to survive. As oxygen levels fall, it becomes harder for them to breathe. The consequences of this trend are alarming. We are witnessing more frequent fish die-offs. The delicate balance of these freshwater ecosystems is being disrupted. This problem requires urgent attention. We must act now to protect our lakes and the life they support. The primary culprit behind this oxygen depletion is global warming. As air temperatures rise, so do water temperatures. Warmer water holds less dissolved oxygen than colder water. This simple relationship has far-reaching consequences. The warmer the water, the less oxygen is available for fish and other aquatic organisms. This can lead to stress, suffocation, and even death. The impact of global warming extends beyond just water temperature. It also affects rainfall patterns, evaporation rates, and the timing of ice cover on lakes. All of these factors can influence oxygen levels. The consequences of a warming climate are already being felt in lakes around the world. If we do not address this issue, the consequences will be dire. Fish are among the most visible victims of declining oxygen levels in lakes. As oxygen becomes scarcer, fish populations suffer. They may struggle to find enough oxygen to breathe, leading to mass die-offs. But fish are not the only ones affected. Insects, amphibians, and other aquatic organisms also rely on dissolved oxygen. The entire food web of a lake can be disrupted when oxygen levels fall. This loss of biodiversity has far-reaching consequences. It can impact the health of the entire ecosystem, including the surrounding environment and the people who depend on it. The plight of aquatic life in oxygen-depleted lakes is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. We must act now to protect these fragile ecosystems. Another consequence of oxygen depletion is the rise of toxic algal blooms. These blooms occur when certain types of algae grow out of control, often fueled by excess nutrients and warmer water temperatures. These algal blooms can produce toxins that are harmful to fish, wildlife, and even humans. They can also deplete oxygen levels in the water, creating dead zones where aquatic life cannot survive. Toxic algal blooms are a growing problem in lakes around the world. They can have serious economic and public health consequences, and they are a clear sign of a lake in distress. We must address the root causes of this problem, including nutrient pollution and climate change, to protect our lakes from the threat of toxic algal blooms.